A really quick, simple one. The properties of substances that are made of molecules. I'm going to go through two properties. The first one is the melting point and boiling point. If we look at the structure of simple molecules, they've got strong covalent bonds holding the atoms together. So they're not going to break even if you put loads of energy in, but holding the molecules together are the weak intermolecular forces. These are the things that are going to break first because they're weak, and it's by breaking these that we'll be able to get a substance to either melt or boil. Because they're weak, they don't take very much energy to break at all, so these substances have got low melting points and low boiling points. I'm going to say it's because of the weak intermolecular forces. Remember, there's a special case which is polymers. Because polymers are such long molecules, they have a lot more intermolecular forces between the molecules. So you've got to break more intermolecular forces. So polymers tend to have higher melting points and boiling points than just simple molecules, which is why plastics are solid at room temperature, whereas simple molecules tend to be gases like oxygen or hydrogen. And water is a liquid at room temperature because intermolecular forces are slightly stronger than in oxygen or hydrogen, but it's still very weak compared to a covalent bond or compared to the attraction in ionic compounds or in metals. The other one is conducting electricity, and simple molecular compounds and elements do not conduct electricity. Remember, for something to conduct electricity, it's got to have a charged particle that's free to move. These don't have charged particles that are free to move. The electrons aren't free to move, and there aren't any charged ions either. So therefore, these things don't conduct electricity. So even water, contrary to common belief, pure water would not conduct electricity. The reason why tap water, for example, does conduct electricity is because it's got really small amounts of ionic compounds dissolved into it. But water by itself, just like oxygen, carbon dioxide, they do not conduct electricity. And that's it.